Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. This is a concise, well-crafted summary and it highlights only the important keywords. X-ray and the CT. So X-ray, there is a 5 basic densities on X-ray. So the air, it appears, it is completely black. Air is black and this is it is least dense. Then is the metal, it appears white. So the metal, if you see, it appears white, that is, it is more dense. Next is when you look at the air is less than that of the fat, is less than the fat, is less than the water or the soft tissue. So is less than water or the soft tissue. Then comes the bone and then the metal. So this is the order. Then moving on to what is a CT. The CT, the HU value in CT. There is a HU value in case of CT. This is based on the electron density. It is based on the electron density, and the HU value of 0, it is the reference substance, that is the distilled water. Then comes a negative value, which means the less dense than that of the water. So less dense than the water. Then the positive value, it means the denser than the water. So positive value means denser than the water. So the fat HU value is nothing but minus 50 to minus 100. So this is nothing but the positive value is denser than water. So fat HU value is minus 50 to minus 100. Then looking at air, it is minus 1000. Then looking at bone is again plus 1000. So bone is plus a value, that is plus 1000. So air is minus 1000, the bone becomes plus 1000. So these are the values. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.